Good morning children, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about the remaining short questions of this lesson, that is the jackal and the rooster. We have already discussed all the 23 question and answers and two other short questions. They are like, what are they? True or false? And choose the correct answer. Now the most important thing is number 4. 1 mark comes in this item. Combine into one using ing form verb. Look at this. Combine into one using ing form of verb. Combine into one using ing form of verb. We will have given two sentences and we have to join them using ing form verb, not any other words. Only we will use ing form of verb what is given to us. So we will take the rooster sang. The rooster sang. It closed its eyes. It closed its eyes. The rooster sang. It closed its eyes. Look at this. The rooster sang. It closed its eyes. Who closed its eyes? The rooster. It is not necessary. The second pronoun is not necessary. We will make them one. So first we will write here the rooster sang. Then what are the remaining words? Closed its eyes. What is the verb here? Closed. It is verb 2. What is its verb 1? Close. What is its verb 4? ing verb. That is closing. Sang. C-L-O-S-I-N-G. Closing its eyes. Okay children? The second verb will be changed into ing verb and added with the sentence, first sentence. Okay, or the main sentence. Then next, Rakesh took tea. Rakesh took tea. He sat on a chair. He sat on a chair. So we have to join them while using what? ing verb. We have to use ing verb here. Rakesh took tea. It is the main sentence. Then we have to join it because pronoun is there. He is used for whom? Rakesh. So we will drop it. Then sat on a chair. Sat is the verb. It is verb 2. What is its verb 1? Sit. Sit. What is its verb 4? Sitting. So what is the answer? Rakesh took tea sitting on a chair. Sitting on a chair. Okay, children? So we have to do like this. Then we will discuss the other. Now see, the parrot sang. It sat on a tree. We have to drop it here. Then sat on a chair. We have to add it. Sat will be changed into sitting. The parrot sat sitting on a chair. Then Ravi went home. He rode on a bicycle. Ravi went home riding on a bicycle. Road will be changed into riding, or you can also write riding a bicycle or riding on a bicycle also. The cat caught the rat. It climbed up the tree. The cat caught the rat climbing up the tree. The verb of the second sentence will be changed into ing verb, and the remaining words with the ing verb is added to the first sentence. Then we will get the answer. The jackal ran. It caught the rooster by its neck. The jackal ran. Catching, caught is verb 2, its verb 1 is catch. Catching the rooster by its neck. Rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. Now children, it is most important for annual examination. Look at this. Rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. Look at this. Rewrite the words to make meaningful sentences. We have given some jumble of words and we have to rearrange them as a sentence according to the symbol of the sentence. If it is a question mark, we will write as a question. If it is an asterisk mark, we have to arrange like this. And if it is full stop, we have to write the positive sentence or the affirmative sentence. Okay? Now children, we will take some examples. King, like, he, felt, also, a full stop. King, like, he, felt, also, a. What is it? What is the symbol? The symbol is full stop. So we have to rearrange them as an affirmative sentence. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words are there and we have to arrange them as an affirmative sentence. Can anyone say what is the correct sentence? He also felt like a king. He also felt like a king. Then open, eat, keeping, sang its bird eyes. Look at this. Open it, keeping sang its bird eyes, then full stop. So, what is the correct sentence? What is the meaningful sentence? We have given full stop. That means we have to arrange the words like an affirmative sentence. So, we have to think about it. How many words are given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, children. So here, open it, keeping sang its bird eyes. Look at this, children. We have to rearrange them. After the rearrangement, again we have to count it, whether we have left any words or not. Okay. So, but the answer is, but it sang keeping its eyes open. But it sang keeping its eyes open. So children, we have to rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences through this way. Then rooster very was there a big, handsome, and then full stop. There was a very big and handsome rooster. Okay? Red he like king, a looked with beautiful its crown, full stop. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. Then ran and away the court jackal, the its rooster by neck. The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. So these are the sentences. The last one is, he bought these two problem do how was full stop. We can rearrange them in two ways. But how to do this was his problem. But his problem was how to do this. Okay, children, we have to do like this. So in this way, we have to rearrangement. Please by heart the question answers and practice the short question and answers. Then we can attend them in the examination. Please by heart them and read them again and again. Okay, children, it is the most important chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.